Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate of this device. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll down to access display and brightness. Following that, scroll down again. Click on Screen Refresh Rate and tap on the best option for you, High or Standard. I will go with Standard, so I have to click on it and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, refresh rate of my OnePlus has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!